Not like a ventilate.
Old stock has come in contact with air. It's unusable. It has to be buried.
Plenty of air in that old mine. Comes in from them ventilating shafts, sir.
You heard the doctor. Ventilate.
Periscope depth. We'll ventilate the outside air.
Somebody ventilated him the other day.
From second squad.
Traumatic cranial contusion. I couldn't ventilate.
Listen, will you turn on the ventilator? We may be down here sometime.
Turn off the ventilator.
On the ventilator.
It's one of our accountants difficult to ventilate.
Good. 12 hours off the ventilator.
Higher cortical activity.
Explode. Air that smells like life. Not like a ventilating unit. I'm just not as good at...
Why didn't you come and verify them before? Old stock has come in contact with air. It's unusable. It has to be buried. Unlike our other deliveries, we always seem to have problems.
Look in front of us. That don't mean to say he's not alive, though. There's plenty of air in that old mine. Comes in from them ventilating shafts, sir.
Well, couldn't we get down one of them and find him that way?
I wouldn't.
He's a lab assistant. For God's sakes, let him breathe.
You heard the doctor. Ventilate him.
No.
Heavily contaminated and radiation is moving forward.
Get us to periscope depth. We'll ventilate the outside air.
Aye, Captain. Periscope depth. Prepare to ventilate.
You're right about Cirque. Somebody ventilated him the other day.
I already told you, it was me.
Get together, you hear me?
Speedy.
Oop.
Ship running from second squad.
Traumatic cranial contusion. I couldn't ventilate.
Brother Jones got blown to shit, man.
Who's Jones? The FNG.
It's just after Christmas. Pearson, will you turn on the ventilator? We may be down here sometime.
Oh, Pearson, I don't think we need keep you any longer.
Turn off the ventilator.
Hal, it's remarkable how well you've recovered from being on the ventilator.
But since when are accountants difficult to ventilate? Dead.
Cardiac output 6 liters. Blood gases are good. 12 hours off the ventilator.
Higher cortical activity.
But not like ours.
No, more like Shepard's. Figure out the ventilator shaft. Come down.
You're still making it harder. Lying there on the ventilator and fucking up my life. You are relentless.
Shimmy up that gutter. Jump over that window ledge and then pry open that ventilator shaft.
Daddy. Richie!
Conscious. The respiratory therapists are going to run some tests to see when they can wean her off the ventilator.
So that's good news.
If she can breathe on her own.
All right, laser cutter ready?
It's ready.
Make sure suction's functioning.
Ventilating easily.
Very good.
Grid in place.
Prepare that bone saw.
Sure is what you want. The only way of weaning him off the ventilator will be to give him a tracheotomy.
What did he...
Funny. As in he likes to ventilate people with a shotgun and then cut their heads off.
Yeah, he's funny that way.
Started in Kansas City. Couple
On top last night. Saw the ventilator shaft to the roof, but I can't reach it. I'm gonna need a boost.
It is properly ventilated for these hot summer months. Likely some fellow returning from a day's...
Big trouble. Cut down on the ventilation, Joe. Get the wing out of the way.
Okay, I'm hand ventilating.
Circuits opening and closing.
And they never rest. This is one of their ventilator shafts. You can feel the warm air rising. Look down here.